Hey everybody, welcome back to the mill. On the bed today we've got a piece of eastern spruce. It's 10 inches on this side, it's 14 inches on the other side, 12'6" long. It's got a couple of decent wind check cracks in it. We're gonna try and cut 6x6 out of it and see whatever else we can get out of the toe boards. Most of the pieces that we're gonna be cutting today are for our new Sawmill sharpening shed. Our tooth setter and our sharpener finally showed up. I've been waiting for almost 4 to 5 months for it to actually come in. Super excited about that. So a lot of the material we're cutting is going to be for that. As always, thanks for watching. We really do appreciate it. Got to go fire up the Jenny. We'll get to it. piece of 6x6 out of it, 2 pieces of 1x6, and then probably a piece of 1x4. Not a bad yield for such a tiny log, but you know how it goes. Got to cut what you have, and we always have a use for it. So this will be a corner post in the sharpening shed. As always, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. It really does help us out. And in the meantime, be safe, be well. I'll see you on the next one.